Make a vanilla milkshake. Making a vanilla milkshake is easier than you think. You need only very few ingredients. A vanilla milkshake is a good substitute for ordinary milk. Kids and adults alike can enjoy this beverage any time of day. All you need to have at home is a blender and you are ready to make a vanilla milkshake anytime you feel like it. If you are planning to make your very own vanilla milkshake, read on to learn how to make one. Take out the things you will need. You will need vanilla ice cream, milk, vanilla extract, ice, whipped cream, chocolate syrup, a tall glass and blender. Prep the blender by washing thoroughly with water and soap. Check your fridge if you still have vanilla ice cream left over from last time. You can substitute milk for half and half if you want your shake to be thick and fluffy. Vanilla extract can be bought from any grocery store. They come in small and big bottles. To avoid wastage, buy only a small bottle of vanilla extract. Start blending. Before putting on anything, blend the ice until very fine. Add in a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Blend well until soft and fluffy. Since the ice cream is from the freezer, it is better to blend it first before putting the milk to ensure its softness and no hard ice cream is left. Or you can take the vanilla ice cream out from the freezer at least a half hour before to let it melt. This way you will not have to blend it separately. Next, add a glass of milk and blend with the first two ingredients. While the milk is being blended, add 3 to 5 drops of vanilla extract into the blender. This will enhance the taste of vanilla of your milkshake. Taste your milkshake and see if you are satisfied with its taste. You can adjust its consistency by adding or reducing milk and ice cream. If you want your shake to be more thick and creamy, add in more vanilla ice cream. Adding more milk will make your shake more watery. Pour. Once you have made adjustments to your vanilla milkshake, pour into a tall glass and top with whipped cream. Add chocolate syrup on top of the whipped cream. You can either sip it from a straw or drink it directly from the glass. Serve and enjoy. See how easy it is to make one? You made your own vanilla milkshake in a jiffy. You can make a number of glasses of vanilla milkshake in one sitting. Just repeat the procedures until you have made enough glasses of your very own and very delicious vanilla milkshake. You can serve it to friends and family who come over to your place for a chat, meeting, or any other activity. Kids will enjoy this drink because of its sweet taste. It is best served with chocolate chip cookies. You can also make one if you want to satisfy your sweet tooth in the midnight when everyone is asleep.